Garden Time has been out and about in Bend, and we found this amazing plant shop. It's Somewhere That's Green, and I'm with John, the owner. And John, this is just an amazing, it's like Disneyland for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
And you know, we always want to give some education to our viewers, and for our houseplants, it's really been a big trend the last couple of years, and so some people are still dabbling. So maybe we can talk about some things that are really easy, bulletproof for people that are starting out.
Absolutely. We call it Plant Parenthood 101. So some of the big first recommendations we always like to give are mother-in-law's tongue or snake plants, but these two in front of you right now are really good options. The ZZ plant is a really easy one. She grows from a bulb or a corm that is a nice water storage device, so you can let the plant go fully dry before rewatering. So that's one if you aren't good at plant parenthood just yet and you might forget about it in a corner. That's an easy one to do and use. She also can handle very low light conditions as long as there's a window in the room, all the way to pretty bright conditions as well.
Nice.
So she's an easy, flexible one, really great if you're still understanding the layout of your house.
Oh, it's so pretty, and the leaves are so shiny. I love it.
Yes, yeah. The new leaves come off that lime green and then they harden off to a nice darker green. There's also variants that, like the Raven ZZ, that turns black, which is really cool.
That's a cool one.
Yeah.
And then this one's kind of totally different shape.
Yes, this one has been around for many decades. A lot of people recognize this one, the Golden Pothos. Pothos are really hardy as well. Fun because they trail and they also climb. So you can do them on curtain rods or in your kitchen hanging above the sink or bathroom shelving. It's much more flexible as to where it can be placed, and then it really can grow large, very large, covering ceilings and windows and stuff. They can handle lower light conditions as well, but prefer a bright indirect light. And then they go about half dry before rewatering, so about once a week.
So just watch it.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
And so then we have people that are into the collector's realm, and they want to be challenged. They want the coolest new thing that's on all of Instagram, so you can help with that too.
Of course, absolutely. So I always say once people get to about 40 plants in their house collection, then they're like, okay, it's time. They feel like they understand light, water, and plants, so then they start moving on to these babies. This one's a really sought after plant in the last couple years. It's called a pink princess philodendron. It is a variegated or mutated type of Rojo philodendron that has this beautiful pink variegation, and they reproduce it through tissue culture because you can't get that variegation otherwise. So they're harder to reproduce, slower to reproduce, which makes them more rare to find. They still grow really easily, bright indirect light, semi-moist, and they're just gorgeous. You can kind of see that one right here with that beautiful pink.
Wow.
If you cut a leaf off, it also has like very red flesh and juice, so it almost looks like blood. Really, really pretty and very royal, which is really cool, hence the name Pink Princess.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And then this one is a string of turtles, one that's really been popular the last couple years, but just hit the market finally the last couple months into circulation. It's a part of the Peperomia, prostrata. A lot of people know Peperomia family. A lot of people know the Chinese money plant, which is like the Pilea peperomoides. Very similar cousins to that. These ones like about half dry and then bright indirect light. A little bit of sun in the morning won't hurt them, but they can get cooked pretty easily and they can get overwatered pretty easily. So it's that nice finding the perfect balance of light versus water for these ones to really thrive. And once they get going, they just trail.
They're beautiful.
Known for those beautiful white, almost semi-succulent leaves that look like a turtle shell.
Nice, nice, so cute.
Yeah.
And really, your staff here is so knowledgeable. So really, if you're not around, you have so many people that can help and pick out the right plant for that right space and that right person.
Absolutely. Bring in photos. That's what we always recommend. We can help you select the right thing.
Nice. Well, we have just loved being here, and so please go to our website, gardentime.com.tv, and then we'll click you over to John's. And really, if you're in Bend, stop by and get some plants. Thanks so much.
Thank you.